Hi besties, I'm Alex and today I prepared a video with back to school nails for you. The design is very simple and chic, so I think many of you will like it. If you don't do your nails at home, this may be an inspiration for you to show your nail tech as well. I'm starting off with my bare nails. I removed my previous manicure with a nail drill, so let's start. For the nail prep, I'll be using Semilac cuticle pusher, Born Pretty cuticle nippers, make sure they are clean and sharp, and also Hansen instant cuticle remover. Before we begin, I need to say that I'm not a professional nail tech, but I've been doing my nails since 2019 and I know quite a bit about this topic. And also, all the products I used in this video will be in the description box below. So now I'm squeezing the cuticle remover onto my nails and I'm leaving it for 1 minute to soak in. I'm doing it very carefully to make sure all my cuticles are fully covered in that remover. Next, I'm using the cuticle pusher. Here, I'm also making sure I scrape the cuticle off thoroughly. It's a very important step because if you don't do it well, then it's one of the reasons why your manicure may be lifting later on. I'm wiping my nails off the cuticle remover with a tissue. And this is how my cuticles look right now. I don't have much cuticles to remove, but they have to be lifted. Now it's time to cut them. As I said, make sure your nail nippers are clean and sharp. It shouldn't be a painful process. This step is also crucial, so be gentle and take your time while doing that. As you can see, I'm also doing it very carefully, making sure no cuticle is left on the nail plate, but I'm going to speed up this process just for your convenience. I like to wash my hands after this step, but you can skip it. And now I'm using a sanding block. 180 or 200 gradation will be fine. It's to remove all the shine from your nails so that any product that is put on them later on will stick better. Again, I'm doing it very carefully and I'm speeding up the process for you. Now I'm taking Semilac nail cleaner and dustless cotton pads to remove any dust from the nail plate. I'm not using any additional stuff like non-acid primer or bonding base because my nails simply don't need that. For the design, I'll be using Claresa rubber base number 8, LilyCute white color gel, Semilac 242 pink sands, Claresa top nail wipe, and also a thin nail art brush for the French design. I'm putting on my UV resistant glove to somehow protect myself from the UV rays, and now we're good to start with the base. This is a rubber base, so it's thicker than a regular base coat. It makes your nails a bit stronger and it can be soaked off, so there's no need to file it down as you would do while using any hard gel or extension gel. I'm doing 2 thin layers and I'm curing each layer for 60 seconds. Rubber base tends to burn in the lamp, so be careful, and if you feel the burning sensation, take your hand out of the lamp and wait until it stops burning and put it back in. Repeat this as many times until you no longer feel the burning. Otherwise, if you try to endure the pain, you may find out that you have burned your nail bed. Here I turned my finger over so that the base is slightly leveled and the surface is nice and smooth. I'm repeating the same on my other nails, 2 thin layers of rubber base coat and curing each coat for 60 seconds. This is how my nails look after the rubber base is cured, so now it's time for the nail arts. I'm taking the thin nail art brush and I'm dipping it slightly in a white color gel. I'm drawing the French design very carefully and very slowly. It was actually my first time doing French design. Originally, I wanted to do it on all of my nails, but as soon as I finished the thumb, I knew it would take me too much time, so I decided to do the French design only on my thumbs and ring fingers. To clean the brush, I'm using a Semilac base gel and wipe the brush soaked in that base on a dustless cotton pad. Now I'm taking Semilac 242 Pink Sands I'm dipping the brush into the glitter and I'm putting it on the French design I've just drawn. If you want, you can skip this step. I only wanted my French to somehow match the other nails. And now I'm putting the same glitter UV gel polish on the rest of my nails. I'm doing a 1 coat of that as I don't want too much glitter on my nails. I'm probably saying this late, but better late than never. Remember that while using UV gel polishes, they should not flood your cuticles. The products should not touch the skin at all, as it may cause allergies and it also affects the durability of the manicure. The last thing is top no wipe. I'm putting a thin layer on each of my nails. The no wipe means that it doesn't have the sticky inhibition layer after curing it in a lamp, so you don't need to wipe it off after curing. Okay, so this is the final look. I did my right hand off the camera. The design goes well with short nails, it's chic, it's classy, it has some glitter, so it's delicate and non-disturbing, hence perfect for back to school. It looks literally stunning in the sun, look at that. Let me guys know if you already have your back to school nails done or what are you planning. I hope this video is an inspiration for all of you who haven't decided yet, and see you next time. Bye!